Hello traders, many have asked me about the programs in MyFF, which are these three programs that we can see: rapid, evolutions, and accelerated. So what is the difference in terms of the price, the rule, and the profit target, profit split of these particular programs right here? So let's take a look. One we're gonna take a look into is rapid program. So quick look on the introductions. The account size range from 10K to 100K for rapid program. So the bonus are paid on bi-weekly or monthly basis for this particular rapid program right here. And the ultimate goal is to gain a 3-month snapshot of the trader, basically the track performance of the traders, of the capabilities before giving them the access to live trading funds. So you need a 3 months track record performance, 3 months result before you can get the live trading account. Right, so the basics rules right here for rapid account is 5% daily drawdown and 12% overall drawdown. So you need to know that this 5% daily drawdown is based on balance and equity, right? Both of them. So whenever one of them is lower than 5% on the starting of the day from the from the account of starting of the day, then it will be an account breach. So the overall drawdown here right now is 12%, and they have a consistent rule here, right? So consistency rule, and you can actually request for a non-consistent account, right? But the difference here is basically you are getting paid out bi-weekly for consistent account, right? And then monthly paid out for non-consistency account. I have a rule here that you need to trade 3 days per week. They call it a 3 trading days a week rule. And if you don't think you can manage to take trades 3 trading days a week, you can actually email them, right, regarding these issues for that particular week. And also you have no restrictions on what instruments or what strategy you're trying to trade. And the sixth rule here is your payout increase over time as you grow with MyFF, all right? As long as you get the funded account later on. So let's see what is the price we have here. For 10K, 20K, 50K, 100K. All right, so the account size is from 10K to 100K, and the price here we can see from $99 towards $749 for 100,000. Right, so the 5% drawdown and 12% drawdown, and this important, no target, you get paid 12% of the profit you earn in your account. So it means that you are getting 12% of the profit you made with the account, right? So whatever target you made, right, whatever profit you made, you're gonna get 12% of the profit here. So they have a minimum trading days with 3 times per week as mentioned, and the average is super high here, 1 to 500, surprisingly, but it means that the higher the average, right, it means the higher the risk as well, right? So no monthly fees here. So let's deep down to MyFF rapid program rule. All right, so here on rule 2, you guys can take a look on trading frequency and consistency. So, right, you must enter minimum of 1 trade per day for a minimum of 3 days a week. This is the 3 days a week rule. So if you are taking a consistency enabled account, which is CEA, right, if you make profit on your first trade and you cannot stop trading for that week, so you must enter 3 trades on 3 different days to meet the minimum trading requirement. Any indications of gambling or erratic behavior change, all right, increase in lot size, trades per day, risk per day will result in account terminations with no payment being made. So it means that if you are using a consistent enabled account, right, you will need to keep up with the lot size you're trying to trade in these 3 days, right, making sure you are using almost the same lot size you are trying to do. All right, and here each week we will take an average mentions KPI and place a ceiling and floor for the trades. Any trade outside this parameter will raise a flag on the account as possible violations. So at this point, you it's not just about the days you need to be worried about, it's also the lot size you are trying to take on the consistent annual account, right? So I would say the NCA is better. Non-consistency account is definitely gonna be better. You just need to wait another half month to your profit split here. Next one, all right? Traders earning. That's two ways to earn. First way to earn is basically uh CEA on your account setup. You will be paid 12% on a bi-weekly basis. Your earning will depend on being successful and not committing any violation in the trading player. Consistency rule apply to CA account, right? So the one that we mentioned, you are gonna get 12% bi-weekly, right, from the profit you made, right? No profit target, but from the profit you made. For non-consistency account, right, once you sign up, you're gonna pay it after the next month, right? After 31 days of your first trade without having every consistency rule. So this is definitely gonna be better non-consistency rule. Get this, just you need to wait longer for that particular account. Second way to earn is basically funded earning, right? For the rapid program, for every dollar you earn on your simulator account, we will match and put in your trading account for up to 3.5% of your account size. Maximum of 350 allocated to funded account on $1,000 account. You were able to access this trading account when you reach 10% of the account you sign up for. The live account will be worth 10% all funds transfer of the original trading account size. If you have signed up for different tiers, we will use 10% of the combined tier. Minimum time that you can start your FE account is 3 months, means that you can get your funded account after 3 months. Furthermore, if you violate any drawdown rules, your funded account will reset. This ensures that our traders are consistent over a period of time, minimum of 3 months, before being made responsible for company funds. Our live accounts are on our server from an institutional technology provider with multiple liquidity source connected to it. It's basically what is the liquidity provider for MyFF. So this year you need to get the funded account after 3 months of consistency, which is not easy at this point. We can take a look on the profit sharing, right? On the account you sign up is 12% at first. After the 3 months, you can get you can get 50% of the profit you made for the first month after of 3 months of consistency, and then 65% and then 80% followed by that. But bear in mind, you need 3 months to prove yourself to be consistent before you get a funded account here. So the refund of your registration fee is when you are trading with your first paid out of Rapid Life. So you can get your refund after 3 months, which is quite long ago, right? With the terms and condition that you're able to manage to keep the consistency up and keep the drawdown rule obey, right? So if you have all that and then you get the funded account with the first paid out, then you can get the 100% refund of the account. Next, we're going to take a look of the evolution program, which is a program that I'm doing, and I only do evolution standard account because I think this is going to be the best and the most worth it program for any traders to take it. All right, so quick look on the account size. So for Evolution account, you have a huge range from 5K to 300K. So the price difference from here, $49 to 1,000 plus, right? I personally take 100K challenge, which is around 499 before the discount here, right? So simple explanations about the particular program right here is actually you have a two-phase evolution evolution process. All right, first phase is gonna be you need to achieve 8% profit target. Second phase is you're gonna achieve 5% profit target. So the minimum trading days is just 5 days. It means that if you made 8% in these 5 days, you will proceed to next phase. And then if you made another 5% within 5 days of around 5 days, you're gonna proceed to further account, right? So the shortest time that you can actually get a funded account is around 10 trading days here. So after you get the phase one profit done, phase two profit done, you will eventually get into funded account with some KYC verifications and contract to be signed. Right. So the leverage right here is 1 to 100, is lower than rapid program, but again, the lower the leverage, the better the risk you can be planning for. Because the higher the leverage, it means that you can take a higher risk, which can be ended up not in a good way. So same thing here as well, no monthly fee for this program. Let's check out what is the rules they have in evolution program. So we have the same thing here, 5% drawdown based on balance and equity, and 12% overall drawdown. The 12% maximum drawdown for your account, right? 100K gonna be around $12,000. So 8% profit target for phase one within 30 days, and then 5% profit target within 60 days for phase two, and you do not have minimum trading days or profit targets. So 5 trading day minimum, right, for phase one and phase two, and then 10 minimum days for your funded account. And for funded account, you no longer have any profit target to achieve here, right? So there's no trading restrictions right here, as long as you are trading on your own and you are not trying to copy trade, right? So prop firms against account management, that if you are trying to trade, ask someone to trade for you if they detect the same IP address, right? Or if they detect you're trying to copy trade from others, that it can results from account breaching, right? They can actually ban you from that. So the profit sharing of Allusion program is the first month of the profit split, which is when you get your funded account after you pass two-phase challenge. You're going to be paid 75% of your profit after first month of trading. Next month is going to be 80%, and then third month is going to be 85%. Let's take a quick look into Allusion rules. So here you can see, right, at MYFOREXFUNDS, we are looking for individual traders to grow with us long term. What this means that we want you to be the trader. It's okay to learn your skills from other experts. However, use of signal bots, trade management service, which is account management service, or trade copiers will not be accepted. But you can copy your own trade from your own account, but not trying to copy other trades from others people's or other traders account here. All right, so if you notice someone using this service, you will be suspended, all right, immediately if they find it out. So try not to engage any account service, account management service, or try to learn to trade yourself. It's okay to learn from other funded traders or other funded traders community, but try not to copy trade one to one, right? So the best is learn the skill sets, and then it will help you in your funding journey. So let's check out how you can be getting paid here for the Evolution program. So if you have reached the profit split time, you can actually send the email to the billing team, or actually on the dashboard or to your funded account, there's a payout request. So they allow cryptocurrency or deal withdrawal, right? So it just depends on how you want to withdraw it, through deal, account, or crypto right here. And for evolution program, they also allow a scaling up program for evolutions. So it offer a scaling up plan that allow you to scale your account size by 30% after you achieve 10% or more within 4 months, right? 10% in 4 months, I believe, is achievable, as long as your account is surviving at this point, right? At the time of scale up request, data should be break even or positive with the account balance. So when you scale up your particular account, you need to be at least in positive deposit, or you need to be at least at your break even, means your initial deposit. And also that allows you to get free retakes and extensions, right? So you get free extensions if you are up around 5%, if not mistaken, at the end of the day. So you get a extension for it. right? And also up to 40 days for the extension. And also you get free retake. You are up like $1, $2, as long as you are up with the initial deposit, all right? You are not in a drawdown. If this particular phase one ended, right, with a slightly profit or any profit that you're trying to make, you can actually get a free retake right here, right? And next up, so last program right here is the accelerated program, right? So the account range is from 2,000 to 550,000 US dollars, and it can scale up to 2 million US dollars. So let's check out the rule. The rule here is there are no daily drawdown limits. So they have a 5% or 10% overall drawdown. So they don't have a daily drawdown, but they have a maximum drawdown here, and it's up to 1 to 100 leverage at this point for the rule, and then scaling at every 20%. So if you make an every 20%, that will scale up your account by 2 times or 1.5 times at this point. All right, so if you have a 10K account, if you make 2K from the 10K account, that will scale up your account to 20K, right? Something like that. And the scaled up cap is $2 million, and no shares allowed. Due to the natures of this account, we cannot allow trading in shares in our accelerator program. You might, however, trade all your other favorite pairs. So basically, you cannot trade shares with this particular program. And the payout is weekly, so you're gonna get the payout weekly every week. So this gonna be every week payout, which is quite fast as the name accelerated program. So let's take a look here on the account price from $99 from 2K to 2,450 for 50K. So this is super expensive on this particular account because it's gonna get you immediate payout, right? Every week you're gonna get the payout. So the target is gonna be 10%, right? Profit target after you get the payout, right? Before you get the payout. So the target is going to be 10% before you get the payout. And overall drawdown is only 5% right here, right? Overall drawdown is only 5%. So let's take a deep look into the rules here, what we should be careful of in terms of the accelerated program, right? So right here, you can actually look at the scale up plan. If you take 2K, you've made 20%, it's scaled up to 4K, 6K, 12K, 18K, right? So you guys can check it out on the website. They have three different model that you're trying to take: conventional model and fatigue model. All right, and next up we have a drawdown rule that you can see for accelerated program. So the overall drawdown is going to be 5%, which is particularly low. And if you take the emphatic program, emphatic model, is going to be 10% overall drawdown. Right, so that's going to be two model in this particular program. So after we read up the three programs rules and the price, and we check out, try to compare the main difference right here. So we use 50K account size as, right, the original. So after we check it out all the rules and in terms of price for these three program, right? So we try to compare it with a 50K account size mark right here. So we can see that Rapid Evolutions Accelerated all 50K counted. The registration fee for Rapid is $399, and for Evolution is $299, and Accelerated is $2,400, right? So this is the price before the discount, and you guys can see the profit split right here. Is basically 12%, right, for the first 3 months, which is actually not a profit split. It's kind of like a bonus paid out for you for whatever you made until the 3 months consistency is achieved. Then you can get the 50% for the first paid out of your funded account. So evolution here is about you getting the two-phase evolution challenge pass, and then first month of the profit split on your funded account you can get 75%. However, on accelerated account is basically you get the instant funding, right? You get the instant funded account, but you have only a super small drawdown rule, which is 5%, and you get the profit split of 50% of whatever you made, right? And this is basically the comparison about it. And my own preference, and I still gonna be preferred evolution program, right? Because it's the program that it worth the most. And I know the two-phase evolution is there, but this two-phase evolution is to prove yourself that you can be consistently managing your risk with the profit target to be achieved, right? So at the end of the day, if you make a simple math, you will know that if you get the first payout from evolutions here, it's going to be more worth it in terms of the profit split. So you're going to get more payout, means more money, more profit split from evolution phase compared to all the other phase. And also, right, the price is definitely going to be cheaper right here, but the thing is you're gonna pass these two evolution phase, right? So if you want to know more about prop firms or about passing challenge, feel free to subscribe to my channel and also hop into our live trading to learn more about how you can actually become a funded trader and stay as a funded trader. So before we go, MyFF actually have a new VIP program which they just launched a few months ago. So they have this MyForexFund VIP, a new reward program for traders. So what are the benefits of being a VIP for MyFF? You get 90% profit split and the ability to withdraw at any time without any restrictions. So it will be automated paid out confirmations, all right, within 10 hours here, which is a super fast paid out. And who qualifies to be a VIP, right? The traders who have been paid out at least 5 times and have traded with my forex funds for a minimum of 3 months. So if you request for the paid out for more than 5 times, you can actually eligible for VIP program. However, if your trading style is considered all in or high risk, you will not be eligible unless your trading style reverts to a tolerable risk for a 3 month period again, and of course a trader must not violated any of the drawdown rule until the point included copy trading here again that mentions that the prop firm is so much against copy trading. So trader must have traded normally during all paid out periods to be eligible, and traders who attempt to game the system in any way will not be eligible. So that's about it for the comparisons of these three MyFF programs. So the conclusion here is I personally gonna prefer the Evolution Standard account. That's the best for me and also what I suggest to new traders or traders trying to take prop firm challenge. So always remember trade with the right mindset.